Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is solids, liquids, and gases. You have already studied in the last classes that what are solids, liquids, and gases. These are matter. So we are going to study in this class what is matter, states of matter, differentiate between solids, liquids, and gases, change of states, expansion and contraction of matter, properties of solids, liquids, and gases, and physical and chemical change. So, based on your previous knowledge, let's do this activity. Classify the following objects into solids, liquids, and gases. Children, can you tell me what is nitrogen? Is it solid, liquid, or gas? Yes, correct, it is gas. Milk is liquid, paper is solid, fruit juice is liquid, oxygen is gas, petrol is liquid, sugar is solid, carbon dioxide is gas, and cake is solid. Let's start. What is matter? So, anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Iron, wood, plastic, cloth, and water are all examples of matter because they all have mass and occupy space. In fact, all the substances which we see around us are examples of matter. Every object occupies space as it has volume. Matter is made up of very small particles called molecules. The molecules are so small that we cannot see them with our naked eyes. They can be seen only under the microscope. Based on this, there are three states of matter. These are solid, liquid, and gases. Due to difference in the arrangement of molecules in the three states of matter, these states are different from each other. A force called intermolecular force of attraction works between the molecules, due to which the molecules attract each other. The strength of the intermolecular force decreases as the distance between the molecules increases. So let's talk about solids. The molecules in solids are very closely packed. They have very strong force of attraction between them, so they are not free to move. Therefore, solids have a definite shape and volume. They are generally hard. Table, pencil, truck, and car are some examples of solids. The molecules in liquids are less closely packed than solids. They have a weak force of attraction between them. So the molecules can move freely but cannot leave the liquid surface. Therefore, liquids have definite volume but no definite shape. They can flow easily and take the shape of the container in which they are kept. So they are also called fluids. Water, milk, and orange juice are some examples of liquids. What are gases? The molecules in gases are very closely packed. They have a very weak force of attraction, so they can move more freely and occupy the entire space available to them in the container. Therefore, gases have neither definite shape nor fixed volume. Oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide are some of the examples of gases. Children, you can observe how the molecules move within the matter. This slide clearly shows that molecules in the gases are free to move and they occupy the space available in the container, while the molecules of the solids just move at the place. This is the comparative study among the solids, liquid, and gases based on the properties like mass, shape, volume, compressibility, fluidity, rigidity, diffusion of the particles, space between the particles, and interparticle force. Let's see how these three states of matter change. The states of water are interchangeable. We will understand the change of states with the example of water. The states of water are interchangeable. On heating, ice that is solid state changes into water that is liquid. This is called melting. The molecules in the ice absorb heat and starts moving freely. They do not remain fixed in their position. Once they start moving around, the ice melts and turns into water. On further heating, this water changes into steam. This is gas. This process is called evaporation. The molecules in water, on absorbing more heat, changes into steam. This steam changes into water on cooling. This is called condensation. The molecules in the steam give up heat. They come more closer. The steam condenses and changes into water. On further cooling, this water changes into ice. This is solid. This process is called freezing. The molecules of water further give up heat and come very close. The water freezes and changes into ice. This picture clearly shows how the solid state of ice on heating, that is on melting, converts into water. Water on heating evaporates to steam. Steam on cooling condenses to water. Water back to liquid state. On cooling again it freezes to ice. Thus, change of state is a physical change in a matter. Common change of state includes melting, freezing, sublimation, deposition, condensation, and vaporization. Changing state of matter occur when the matter loses or absorbs energy, usually in the form of heat. When substance absorbs heat, the molecules move more rapidly, and this increases kinetic energy, which pushes particles far enough that they change form. Here we come across the two new terms, that is sublimation and deposition. There are certain substances, instead of changing into liquid state on heating, the solid changes to gas. This is sublimation. And when the gas changes to solid state on cooling, this is called deposition. The best example of this is camphor. When we heat the camphor, changes directly to the gas state, and this fumes of camphor can be cooled down to get the camphor that is solid state again. I hope you understand the concepts of solid, liquid, and gas, and the states which are interchangeable. So now you can answer these questions. We will continue the next part of the chapter in the next class. Thank you.